Who was also my dad, was up at WSU. He was talking to some people, and they said, "Do you think you could build one of these tobacco drying sheds out of with StrawJet?" I said, "That sounds great. Yeah, I think we could do that." So one of these tobacco drying sheds uses 1 ton of wood, and in Malawi they have a huge deforestation issue. What we were able to do by using the StrawJet, so this is actually a StrawJet tobacco drying shed built out of tobacco, is not only did they not have to cut down the 1 ton of wood, but they were also able to use up 3,000 pounds of waste agricultural product. And they were able to use the machine in the developing world so that we could actually see that, okay, these people can use it, they can do something.
What power is the machine?
This was a diesel generator. Because it's remote.
That's diesel.
Diesel engine.
Direct diesel,
10
yeah.
horsepower.
Yeah, direct 10 horsepower.
The electric motor out there is 5 horsepower.
And a bicycle-powered wrapper.
Yeah, that's actually, you'll see, there's a picture, that's a bicycle-powered wrapper right there, so this guy's going around and, it's
And a hand crank bundler.
Yeah.
We got a solar-powered wrapper out here you can look at.
We have our actual wrapper out here is capable of running off solar panels. We brought solar panels. I don't think we're going to get enough sun. We'll have to run it off the battery, but you can run it off the solar power. So it's kind of cool technology in that regard. You use biodiesel for the generation. So what other kind of things do we see for the developing world? I mean, again, it's just social responsibility. We got to make sure and take care of it. We can do drying racks. We can construct granaries. We can do shelters for chicken and livestock. We do storage areas, garden walls, soil erosion, maybe even firewood. We ran some maize stock with a biodegradable deal, so we can actually make little fire logs. And so instead of going and cutting down the trees to cook your food, you just use up your waste, the other part of your waste agriculture. Buildings. People in Africa, but also throughout the world that are in developing natures, really don't want to go back to living in straw. They think that's like, why would you want to do that to us, So it's not something they're interested in. We like our mud hut. We're happy that our mud bricks are in place. It's a sign of social, of becoming more socially status. So we don't, the big thing is you can't go there and say, build a house out of this. They'll look at you and they'll be like, no, we're not interested. We want our mud house, but you can go ahead and build us a livestock granary, or a granary or livestock.
That's in the tropical zones where the insects will just eat you alive if you're in a straw house.
Yeah. So we have the StrawJet Foundation. I won't go into this too much, but we're trying to basically affect the Millennium Challenge goals from the UN. So one of the things we really like about this is it handles sustainability, but you can also build some micro enterprises out of this. We're working on doing some. This is an example of using our technology to build some health clinics in Malawi that'll be solar panel roofs that have a water purification system. Kind of a neat project. We're also looking at doing a microeconomic construction company, so allowing a group of villagers to take this machine and basically they turn it into their own lumber mill. So they can crank out cable as quickly as they want and they can sell it to their neighbors and so forth. And that's StrawJet.